Hello, how to evaluate with that calculator? This is 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4. So I can express 5 as summation of 4 and 1. So we simply have this is 27 power 4 plus 1, that is 5. We have minus 27 power 4. Now, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. Applying same here, I have 27 power 4 times 27 power 1 minus 27 power 4. So from here, we can factor out 27 power 4 of 27 power 4 times this divide 27 power 4 of 27 minus this divide 27 power 4. I have 1, so this is 27 power 4 times 27 minus 1, that is 26. 27 is simply 3 power 3. This is 3 power 4 times 26. And if you consider multiplying this exponent, you have 3 power 12 times 26, and 3 power 12, this is 3 power 10 plus 2 times 26. And remember the identity. If you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here, this will give me 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 26. So this means I have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2, that is 9 times 26. So you need to evaluate the value of 3 power 10. And 3 power 10 is simply, we have 3 power 10 is 3 power 5 times 2. That is 3 power 5, 3 power of 2. 3 power 5 is 243 to the power of 2. This is 243 times 243. So you can multiply that out. You have, that is 50948. I have even forgotten, I have a lot of things on my brain. I think it's 59049. You can confirm that. It is 59049. This is 59049. That is 243 times 243. So that means that is 3 power 10. So we are going to multiply that. So we have 59049, that is 3 power 10, times 9 times 26. And let's multiply this first. 9 times 9, 81, 1 carried by 8. 9 times 4, 36, plus 8, 44, 4 carried by 1, 4 carried by 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0, plus 4, we have 4. 9 times 9, 81, 1 carried by 8. 9 times 5, 45, plus 8, 53. So we have 531,441 times 26. So let's do the multiplication as fast as possible. 531,441, 26. We are going to consider 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 4, 24. 4 carried by 2. 6 times 4 again, 24. Plus 2, 26. 6 carried by 2. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, 18. 8 carried by 1. 6 times 5. That's 30 plus 1. We have 31. We consider 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5. We have 10. We add up. This is 6. 6. This is 14. That is 4 carried by 1 after 17. 7 carried by 1 after 11. This is 8. This is 3. This is 1. So we have 13,817,466. 13,817,466. That is our answer for 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4. That is 13,817,466. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.